In this video, we will show you the basics of Eightshift forms, how to use them, where everything is, and some of the basic terminology. So just a quick reminder that at this point you should be pretty familiar with doing basic WordPress editing in the admin and familiar with admin interface. So how to use this plugin? You can download it from our GitHub repository. At this point, it's not available on WordPress plugin download list, but it will be in the future. Just go to our documentation homepage. Down in the bottom, you can find our all of our boilerplate, the documentation, storybook, and stuff, etc. Just find Eightshift forms, and here in the repository, just go to the releases and find the latest release. Go to the assets and download the early zip. Extract that zip and put it in your side of your plugins folder, and you are ready to go. Just go to the admin, plugins, and activate the plugin. Now you're ready, and let's start and go over the basics. So in the sidebar, you can find our Eightshift form. Everything is under Eightshift forms menu. Here, first you will see forms. In the forms, you will see all your forms, everything that you created, names, etc., status, type of form. So if it's a mailer form, HubSpot form, any integration that you have available, you can filter it. You can, let's say, download it, do the integration sync. We will go to that later. Also, you can see the trashed forms. You can delete them or restore them, delete them permanently, etc. You can find the form specific settings. You can also click on the individual form that will go through and open the block editor form where you can edit all your forms, etc. We will go through that in our next video. You can also find locations. Locations is a really useful thing because you can find where your form is used on pages, posts, custom post types, and etc. So this is the list of forms, and to be able to use the form on any location on your website on the front end, you need to add that form somewhere. So these locations are places this pages where this form is used. So each individual form can be used in multiple places, etc. Also, each form has its specific settings. So by going into settings, you can find everything that's related to this specific form, like in general, maybe validation. So this form is a mailer form because we added mailer block in the block editor, and you can find here mail specific configurations, etc. You can also find locations here. Next, you can find the sidebar like add a new form, just a quick shortcut, and mainly global settings. So global settings refers to all the forms in any type of integration, just pretty much everything. Here you can find the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can activate the feature that you would like to use, like maybe spam prevention, geolocation, stuff like that. So if the feature is not activated, you won't be seeing it in the sidebar. Also, for the integrations, here you can see all the integrations that we have available, and we add them like on a monthly basis, so no problem. Miscellaneous stuff, troubleshooting stuff, etc., etc. We will go over in details over each individual features, but all in all, you can find everything here in the global settings page. Also, for a quick reference, in the top bar you have also Eightshift forms menu where you can find all your lists and stuff like that. Pretty much everything that you need have on the side, where you can also find it here in the top menu. This is very useful if you are, for example, on a home page and you just want to find and go to that page and click and directly go to the specific page. Also, maybe you have a page that you have. So you have a page on a form on a specific page that you want to find. So for example, let's find this form. This form is located on this page. Yes, this is this form. You have this quick menu bar on this in the right, where you can edit this specific form, edit form settings, and edit global settings. So just click here and it will go and open this specific form. So okay, yeah, this is I think this is enough for this specific tutorial. Next we will go to the details how and on creating your first form and adding your first form to some specific page for the front-end user. So stay tuned.